Hi, I'm Vidya from EIM Coimbatore Outreach. First, I'd like to thank you for being here to watch this video on EIM Outreach Awareness. So, for the past 2 weeks, you could have seen a lot of volunteerism that is being generated among us, that is among EIM associates. And this did not happen in one day. It took 3 years for us to evolve. And now I would say that EIM Coimbatore Outreach is one of the strongest councils that we have in Coimbatore Outreach. So we'll see how this outreach evolved in these past 3 years. Now we will watch the journey of EIM Coimbatore Outreach from August 2011.
EIM Outreach had its humble beginning in August 2011 in the form of notebook distribution drive. This was the first initiative from our Outreach Council. To follow it up, we raised a sum of 15,000 rupees for Annai Orphanage in Pannimadai. This was all down to the great support from our EIM associates. This orphanage had 50 children who were all thrilled when we celebrated Diwali with them. We celebrated Diwali by distributing crackers and sweets.
Moving on to 2012-2013, EIM Outreach pioneered the conduction of free medical camp in our school. This camp was aimed at providing basic medical facilities to all the students with expertise provided by renowned doctors from Coimbatore and Tirupur.
Starting from 2014, EIM Outreach is conducting summer camp in our school. This year, it was a major success with a high level of participation from school students. Let me pass it over to Vanita, who will give a quick recap of the summer camp.
Hi, myself Vanita, part of EIM Outreach Council. I like to give a quick recap of summer camp activity which we have conducted a few months back. Summer camp is all about 3 hours per day over 15 days. The students enthusiastically participated and enjoyed this event very much.
டால்ஹண்ட் எனும் திறமைகளுக்கான தேடுதல் வேட்டை என்பது காக்னிசன்ட் அவுட்ரீச் சார்பாக பல்வேறு பள்ளிகளைச் சேர்ந்த மாணவ மாணவிகளுக்கிடையே நடத்தப்படும் போட்டிகளாகும். 2013ஆம் ஆண்டு நடைபெற்ற டால்ஹண்ட் போட்டிகளில் நமது சரவணம்பட்டி உயர்நிலைப்பள்ளி உட்பட பல்வேறு பள்ளிகள் பங்கு பெற்றன. இதற்கான முதல்நிலைப் போட்டிகளுக்கு நமது பள்ளி மாணவர்களை தயார் செய்து அதில் தேர்ச்சி பெற்ற மாணவர்கள் இறுதிப் போட்டிகளில் பங்கு பெற செய்யப்பட்டனர். வான் தந்த நீர் வீண் போவதில்லை என்பதைப் போல பங்கேற்ற 16 பள்ளிகளில் 14 பள்ளிகளை முந்திச் சென்று 2ஆம் இடத்தை எட்டி பிடித்தனர் நமது மாணவ செல்வங்கள். இதில் பரிசு தொகையாக கிடைத்த 5,000 ரூபாயில் பிரிண்டர் ஒன்று வாங்கப்பட்டு நமது பள்ளிக்கே அன்பளிக்கப்பட்டது. 2ஆம் இடம் என்பது எமது இறுதி இலக்கன்று. இம்முறை முதலிடம் பெறுவதற்காக முழுமூச்சுடன் களம் இறங்கியுள்ளோம்.
Hi all, good morning. I am Usha from EIM Outreach Council Coimbatore and he is Sasi from EIM Outreach Council Coimbatore. He is one of the co-member of the Outreach Council and as we know we are running this mega volunteering drive successfully. We have some few questions to Sasi on this.
Yeah,
hi
yes,
Sasi. Yeah. So could you please explain on the purpose of this mega volunteering drive?
Yeah, sure. Actually, as per our Tamil Nadu government law, all the high schools and higher secondary schools should start the English medium from 6th standard from this current academic year 2014 and 15. But last year we got the information from Coimbatore's Chief Educational Officer. Most of the primary schools having only 3 teachers and they are also can't work on the completely for the school. They have other works also like area tour to counseling the parents to send their students to schools and CEO meets etc. like this. Because of these reasons, students are not up to their level. So what we have to do here, we have to train them for in English language, just difference between the alphabets, capital letters and small letters, and just read the 3-letter words and try to improve their English knowledge and mathematical knowledge. This is the first day of EAM Coimbatore Mega Volunteering Drive. You can watch how the students from 6th standard are struggling to write English alphabets. We are so happy to inform you that for the Mega Volunteering Drive, EAM associates have come forward in a great way to make this a successful event.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Because if you're willing to go through all the battling you gotta go through to get to where you want to get, who's got the right to stop you? I mean, maybe some of you guys got something you never finished, something you really want to do, something you never said to someone, something. And you're told no, even after you pay your dues. Who's got the right to tell you that? Who? Nobody. It's your right to listen to your gut. It ain't nobody's right to say no. After you earn the right to be where you want to be and do what you want to do.
I think it's today I had a little quick chat with the girl that I was mentoring today, and I could sense she was able to write few English words, but she has to improve a lot in both writing the capital letter and the small case letters. She was not able to write her father's name and mother's name. I think the standard has to be improved in terms of writing the English letters as well as improving the English language.
Imagine a place where you have a lot of children, kids around you who are unable to write their names in English, unable to spell their parents' name, unable to even tell what is the alphabet after E. It is really horrible. But we can make the difference by just giving our 2 hours to them, teaching them what it is all about. And it may be just 2 hours for you, but it will be the life-changing 2 hours for them. So we can make the difference by joining the outreach.
ABCD சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம் உனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது மெதுவா சொல்லு நான் அவசரம் இல்லை ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVXYZ. ஓகே, உனக்கு உன் பேர், உங்கள் அப்பா பேர், உங்கள் அம்மா பேர் எல்லாரையும் தெரியும் தானே? பேர் தெரியாதா? உங்கள் அம்மா பேர் என்ன? பாலம்மாள். ஓகே, உங்கள் அப்பா பேர்? காந்திராஜன். உன் பேர் என்ன? ஜோஷுவா. ஜோஷுவாக்கு நீ எழுத தெரியுமா இங்கிலீஷில்? ஸ்பெல் பண்ணி எழுதி சொல்ல தெரியுமா உனக்கு? சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம். JOSWVA. ஜோஷுவா. ஓகே, உங்கள் அம்மா பேர்? சரி, தெரிஞ்சதை சொல்லு. பாலம்மாள் நீ எப்படி எழுதுனா? குட், எழுது சொல்லு. அப்புறம் பாலம்மாள் என்ன வரும் PAக்கு அப்புறம்? தெரியலையா? சரி, ஓகே. அப்பா பேர் என்ன சொன்ன? காந்திராஜன். காந்திராஜனுக்கு என்ன போடுவ நீ ஸ்டார்டிங்ல?
Let us join our hands for this good cause. Come, let us make a change. The power is yours.
சுடர் விளக்கானாலும் தூண்டுகோல் வேண்டும். இங்கு சுடர் விளக்குகளுக்கு பஞ்சம் இல்லை, தூண்டுகோள்கள் தான் கொஞ்சம் இல்லை. தூண்டுகோலாகவும் துணை நிற்போம்.
रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे. ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे.
Now that you have seen all the good work done by EIM Coimbatore Outreach volunteers, I'm looking forward for your support to take EIM Coimbatore Outreach to the next level. Thank you.
We are ready.